Good morning, everybody. Today we are decorating the porch, and as you can see, it's a blank slate. The only thing we have out here is Phil's grill. It's nasty, it's gross. The lawnmowers were just out here. The crew that mows the lawn was just out here, so we've got grass and debris all over the patio, and we're going to get things cleaned up. I'm going to start by washing the patio doors, and I'm using Glass Plus and paper towels, and I have a garbage can sitting right here. Also, let me turn you guys a little bit so you can see the patio doors. I'm going to sweep everything off of around the walls, the light switch, the trim, everything. So the first thing I'm going to do is lay down my outdoor rug, and I want it to really be the basis of this patio. I want it to bring color and vibrancy, and I want it to anchor the seating area. This is a very small space, so the more I can bring to it, the better. Please excuse the traffic. We're on a very busy road here. Can you guys see those clouds of dust coming up when I sweep the rug? It's terrible. So this is really going to ground our outdoor seating space and give us room to walk, although I do think it needs to come more this way so we have room to get in and out of the patio door easily. I got this from Walmart about 2 years ago and it's a little bit faded, but I still love it and I'm not going to replace it as of yet. So the next thing I'm going to bring in is our large Loveseat. It's not large, it's just larger. But it's the largest piece that's going to be out here, so I'm going to place it first and I like it over against the divider. I was going to wipe it down, but I think I'll wait until I have all the pieces in and wipe down everything all at once. I found this at a yard sale. If I can find something that matches it or is close to it, I'll link it below. And now I'm going to bring in the actual dining table set. I used more of the Glass Plus on this chair than I did on the others because there was some bird waste on there and I wanted to make sure that that got completely taken care of. Now I've got everything cleaned and set up the way I want it, I'm going to decorate. So we started with a complete blank slate, and we've added color with the rug, we've added seating space, we've added a dining table, and we will add fresh flowers as the temperature warms up and flush it out even more. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope it gave you some inspiration. Hit that comment button, hit the subscribe button. We'll talk soon.